Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So our today's topic is a universal logic gate. So what is a universal logic gate? So firstly, the basic thing about the universal logic gate. So by this gate, we can create any other gate. By this gate we can create any other gate that is called a universal logic gate. So here is the two example of universal logic gate. First one is NAND and the second one is NOR. By this two gate is we can create another gate. So this two gate is called a universal logic gate. NAND gate and NOR gate are called a universal logic gate because by the NAND gate we can create a NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. By this NAND gate we can create all this gate. And the second thing, NOR gate, by this is also a universal logic gate because by the NOR gate we can create all other gate. This gate are called basic logic gate. This gate are called basic logic gate. So by this NOR gate we can create NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. So this is the simple definition of universal logic gate. By the universal logic gate we can create all other gate. So the example of universal logic gate is NAND gate and NOR gate. So let's see how we can create a NOT gate by using a NAND gate. Firstly we will discuss about the NAND gate. After that we can go to the NOR gate. So firstly we will see how we can create a NOT gate by using a NAND gate. So the first one is NOT gate by using which gate? By using NAND gate. By using NAND gate. We will discuss the first thing. That means we have to create a which gate? NOT gate by using a NAND gate. So this first. So we will discuss the first NOT gate by using NAND gate. So firstly see what is the logic circuit and what is the logic diagram of the NOT gate. The logic diagram of NOT gate look like that type. This is the logic diagram of which gate? NOT gate. And the logic diagram of NAND gate, NAND is the combination of which gate? NAND is the combination of NOT gate and AND gate. So firstly make a AND gate. So this is the AND gate. After that N for NOT. So after that we can create the NOT. We can add a NOT. So this is the NAND gate. So what is the input of NOT gate? The input of NOT gate is A and the input of NOT gate is A and B. You can put any other variable. So after that the output of NOT gate is A dash and the output of NAND gate is, firstly multiply this two number and put the dash because A into B is the AND gate and the dash is the symbol of NOT. So finally A into B is a NAND gate. This NAND gate and NOT gate I am already discussed in the previous video. So you can go check my description box. There is the link of the NOT gate and the NAND gate video. So let's move how we can create the NAND gate, NOT gate by using a NAND gate. So firstly we have to write NAND gate. So this is the NAND gate, but here is the one issues. What is the issues? The NOT gate take only one input. The NOT gate take only one input, but the NAND gate take two input. So how we can solve this problem? So here is the one simple way. We can combine this two input point. We can join this two input point and now it's take only one input. Suppose we can give A. So here is the A and A because here both take the same input because we can provide A for this one and also for this. So it can take A and A. After that and that means multiply A into A. Here you can see that A into B, but here the input is A and A. So here is the A and the whole dash. Why the dash? Dash for the here it's a not. So a into a, so a into a is a, a into a is a. So you can simply see that this is the symbol of not gate. This is the symbol of not gate. So what is the final diagram of not gate? The final diagram of not gate by using the NAND gate, this is the a, and here is the a dash. So you can see that how we can how we can easily convert the NAND gate into a NOT gate. It is very easy for creating. If you want to see that the truth table, so I am here creating one truth table, a and a, because it takes two input, a and a. So the input of a is 0 and 1, so it is also a, so again it is a 0 and 1. After that a into a, so a into a is 0 and 1. After that a into a whole dash, a into a whole dash. So the a into a of whole dash of a into a is, the dash of 0 is 1 and the dash of 1 is 0. So if you can see this input and this output boxes, so you can check that the 0 converted with 1 and 1 is converted with the 0. So this is the conversion of an AND gate into a NOT gate. So let's move to the second point. What is our second point? The second point is conversion of NAND gate into a OR gate. So let's see how we can convert the NAND gate into a OR gate. So the second one is OR gate by using NAND gate. So what is the logic diagram, logic gate of OR gate? So the logic circuit of OR gate look like this type. This is the logic diagram of A. So here OR gate, that means the output of A plus B, and the NAND gate, what is the output of NAND gate? The NAND gate, output of NAND gate, that means A into B whole dash. So how we can convert this value into that type? So we will see. So firstly take a input A, that is A, and another one is B, that is A and B. After that we put here one NAND gate, So how we can put here NAND gate? Because this is only a one input, but NAND gate want to how many input? Two input. So let's join this two input. So let's join this two input, and now it is a dash. Now it is a dash, because we already see that this type of gate we can use here. After that again here we can use one NAND gate. After that again let's use one more NAND gate, because we can't use any other gate. We only have to use only a NAND gate. We can't use any other gate. So now it is a B dash. So here is the input is A dash and here is the B dash. So what is the output of this NAND gate? The output of this NAND gate, that means firstly multiply this two input. So we have to multiply this two input, and for the NOT we can put one dash. So this is the which, by which theorem we can solve this one? By De Morgan theorem. What De Morgan theorem say? The De Morgan theorem say, if you have a dash, so you can change with the without dash, and the plus converted with the into, and into converted with the plus. So here is the A dash, that means A whole dash, by using De Morgan theorem. De Morgan theorem. So After that, here is a one into sign, so in the place of into we can put a plus sign and b dash. So what is the final output? A dash into A dash is A and B dash into B dash is B. So output is A plus B. So this is the output of OR gate. So you can see that we can easily create a NAND OR gate by using the NAND gate. So this is the symbol or logic circuit of OR gate by using a NAND gate. Next we will see the third type. What is the third one is? Third one is AND gate. AND gate. So let's see the third one is AND gate by using NAND gate, by using NAND gate. So it is very simple. So let's see that how we can create a AND gate by using a NAND gate. So what is the symbol and what is the output of the NAND gate? The output of AND gate is A into B and the output of NAND gate is A into B whole dash. So what is the changes between this gate? So only one changes, we have to remove this dash, so now it can converted into A into B. So let's make a one diagram. So firstly, simply we can create a NAND gate. This is a NAND gate, A into B. So the output is A into B whole dash. After that we can again use one NAND gate. So let's see what is the input of this NAND gate. Output of this NAND gate is the input of this NAND gate. So this is the A into B whole dash. This is the first input and the second input is A into B whole dash. Both are same because it can provide only one input. So this input divided into two parts. So now what is the output? Output is that firstly multiply these two value. So we have to multiply these two value, A into B whole dash, and put a not, that means put a whole dash. I am written here clearly, A into B whole dash into A into B whole dash and again whole dash. So firstly multiply this one and again this, and for the not put a one not sign. So let's again solve by the De Morgan theorem, again using a De Morgan theorem. So what is the De Morgan theorem? So De Morgan theorem, that means dash converted without dash. So here A into B and this sign convert into, this dot sign convert into plus, and again here A into B, because this dash let's write one more dash like that. So one rule is that A dash and whole dash, what is the value? That is A. So here A into B dash and the again whole dash, so it will convert into A into B plus A into B. So A into B plus A into B is the A into B, because one rule is that A plus A is equal to A. So what is this? This is the output of which gate? This is the output of AND gate. So by this one we can create a AND gate. So this is the very simple logic circuit to create a AND gate. So you can see, firstly put a one NAND gate, again we put a one more NAND gate. We can't use any other gate because this is the universal logic gate. What is the definition of universal logic gate? That means we can create any other gate by using the universal logic gate. So this is the logic circuit of NAND gate. So the next, so the fourth one is NOR gate. We can create a NOR gate by using the NAND gate. So NOR gate is a universal gate. You can clearly see that NOR gate is also a universal gate, and this gate is called basic logic gate. Basic logic gate. So we can easily create this basic logic gate by using a NAND gate, and we also create a NOR gate, that is a universal gate, by the one more universal gate. So the fourth one is NOR gate by using NAND gate. NOR gate by using a NAND gate. So let's see how we can create a NOR gate. So firstly we will see what is the expression and what is the logic circuit of NOR gate. It is very easy. NOR gate is the combination of NOT gate and OR gate. So firstly we will create a one OR gate and put a NOT for the NOR gate. This is the NOR gate. Here A into B, sorry, AB. So A plus B whole dash. So this is the expression of NOR gate. And AND gate, what about the AND gate? AND gate is this is the AND gate. So let's see how we can change this expression into this expression. So firstly take a one NAND gate, so what is the output? That is A dash. And second one is one more NAND gate, so this is a dash and B dash. So for the A dash we also use a NOT gate, but we can't use a NOT gate because this is a universal logic gate. We can't use any other gate. Clearly I am only using the NAND gate. After that let's use one more NAND gate. So here is A dash and here is B dash. So what is the expression of this one? A dash into B dash a whole dash. Clear? So let's convert this expression. For converting this expression by using a which theorem? De Morgan theorem. De Morgan theorem. So it will convert into A dash, that means A, dot, that means plus, and B dash, that means B. So the expression of this one is A plus B. After that what we want the A plus B into dash. For the dash, for this dash we can use one more NAND gate. So here is the A plus B, here also A plus B. So what is the final output? Final output, that means A plus B whole dash. This is the final output, and this is output of NOR gate. This is the output of NOR gate. So firstly we have to use a one NAND gate and one more NAND gate, and here we can combine with the NAND gate, and we want to the one more dash. For the one more dash we use a NAND gate. So this is the expression for converting NOR gate by using a NAND gate. Next one is our fourth expression is that fifth one is XOR gate. XOR gate, that means we have to create a XOR gate by using a NAND gate. So the fifth one is XOR gate by using NAND gate. XOR gate by using a NAND gate. So firstly see that what is the logic diagram of XOR gate. So the logic diagram of XOR gate is like that. X, that means extra, and OR, it is A and B. So what is the expression of XOR? The expression of XOR is A dash plus B into A B dash. This is the expression of XOR gate. And for the NAND gate, here is the expression is A into B dash. So we have to convert this expression into this way. This expression into this way. So let's see. So firstly, for this one, for the A dash, for the A dash, we have to want a NAND gate. This is A, so now it is A dash. For the B dash, again B, this is a B dash, clear. But for the B, only we want to B, so we can take one B for simply, because we don't want the dash. And here for the A, we can take a 1A value. After that, we have to multiply this two input, A dash into B. So this is A dash and this is B. So let's multiply. That means we use only a which gate? NAND gate. Because we can create a XOR gate by using a NAND gate. So what is this is the B and this is the A. So what is the expression of this? The expression of this one is A dash B whole dash. Now for this one, A into B dash, this is A into B dash. Again use a NAND gate. So now the expression is, this is A, so A into B dash a whole dash, because here is a not. After that, we want this again one NAND gate. So input of this one, A dash B dash whole dash. For this one, A into B dash a whole dash. So what is the expression of this one? So the expression of this one, that means multiply this two value. So let's, I am written here multiply, this is the output, multiply this two value, that means A dash into B whole dash into, this is the first input, and the second one is A into B dash, A into B dash a whole dash. So for this not, again one more dash. So let's convert this expression by using a De Morgan theorem. Using a De Morgan theorem. So for the De Morgan theorem, the expression will be converted. The plus, this dot sign converted into the plus sign and the dash converted without dash. So here A dash into B is a whole dash. So this dash will be changed. That means the output like only that. After that, this plus into sign convert into plus, and again here is a one more dash. So here is a into B whole dash. So now this is the expression of which gate? This is the expression of our XOR gate. So you can see that only a NAND gate we can create a XOR gate. Only a NAND gate we can create a XOR gate. So the next one is the last, this is the last one. So the sixth one, the last is XNOR gate. We can create a XNOR gate by using the which gate? NAND gate. So this is the last one, XNOR gate by using the NAND gate. So what is the expression of the XNOR gate? The expression of XNOR gate is A into B plus A dash into B dash. So let's create a logic diagram of the XNOR gate by using a NAND gate. So for the A, we can take only input A. For the B, we take only input B and use a one NAND gate. So what is the output? The expression is A into B whole dash. That means it equal to the A dash plus B dash. So the second one, A dash B dash. So let's take input A and convert into a dash. So this is the a dash, and for the b convert into b dash. So now it is a b dash. So again use a one more NAND gate. That is a, what is the expression of this one? So the expression of this one is a dash b dash. This is the multiply and again whole dash. So the final expression is that a plus b. The final expression is a plus b. So the next one is use one more NAND gate. For the one more NAND gate, so input is that a dash plus b dash. Here is a plus b. So here multiply this to 1, a into b dash into a plus b whole dash, because for this not we can put a 1 dash. So let's simplify this expression by using the De Morgan theorem. So the expression is that here a dash plus b whole dash of b, then a plus b the whole dash of this expression. So let's change this one. So firstly this dash, that means a into b whole dash, and this dot convert with the plus sign, and this one is a plus b whole dash. Again using a De Morgan theorem. So here is a, this dash and this dash is cancelled, so here is a no dash, and this plus sign into a dot and the b plus. Here is a dash and the plus sign converted into dot, and here is the b dash. So the final output is, so this is our final output, that is a into b plus a dash into b dash. So this is our expression of XNOR gate. This is the expression of which gate? XNOR gate. So this is the diagram of XNOR gate by using the NAND gate. So for the next topic, that means NOR gate. By using a NOR gate, convert a NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. I will discuss in the next video. For the next video, you can subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, press a like button. Thank you.